Many of you are choreographing your own routines, and I think that's just wonderful. But sometimes it helps to have someone who really understands the dynamics at play, especially in how they differ from performing live versus on video. I'm Judy Gammett, the owner of Dogs Can Dance, and I love offering these free Zoom discussions where you can ask me questions and I can give you some feedback and some knowledge of how to choreograph for the specific venue that you're going into. If you want to get the effect that you're really thinking about when you choreograph, it needs to be strategically placed in the ring. So join me either October 7th, 8th, or 9th at whichever the times works for you in your time zone, wherever you are in the world. And I'm looking forward to sharing my thoughts on choreographing for live versus video performance.